Have you ever wondered why it's easy for you on a bike to stay upright when the bike is in motion? Believe me, the physics behind balancing on a bike is such a wonderful topic. Let's take a spin and find out. Well, before that, let's think about this bicycle wheel spinning effortlessly on its axis, defying gravity. Can you explain this? Why? I know you don't need to know the physics to ride a bike, but if you do, it would be much easier and perhaps more fun. Okay, let me explain what's the secret sauce behind this balancing act by breaking it down. When you're cruising on a bike, those spinning wheels create something called angular momentum, equals to mass times speed, times radius of the wheel. If you're interested, you can check the mathematical calculations in the description. Anyways, if you look at the spinning top of the wheel once it's moving, it wants to keep moving in the same direction, caused by the moment of inertia or the applied torque. As the wheels whirl around, they generate centripetal force, pulling the bike toward the center of its turn. As shown in the spinning wheel here, this inward force, along the axis, battles it out with gravity, keeping the bike upright. This is the physics. The faster the wheels spin, the more stable the bike becomes. Or you cannot stay upright if you stand still on the bike. Does it make sense? It's all about hitting that sweet spot of speed where the forces of motion and gravity reach a perfect balance. So, what keeps the bike from taking a tumble? It's a beautiful dance of momentum, centripetal force, and good old-fashioned gravity. Next time you're pedaling along, remember the physics at play and embrace the magic of balance. Keep exploring, keep riding, and keep that curiosity wheel spinning. If you like the physics of the wheel, hit that like button and share the physics love. Until next time, keep those wheels turning and keep defying gravity in style. Ride on, fellow physics enthusiasts,